But which is black in color, cat, elephant, or lion? But which one barks the loudest, dog, fish, or pigeon? But which fruit is yellow inside, mango, banana, or watermelon? Or which bird can talk like you, crow, parrot, or dove, guess who? But which animal hops so high, rabbit, turtle, or butterfly? So which one swims in the deep blue sea? Horse, shark, or chimpanzee? What grows tall with lots of leaves? Flower, tree, or honey bees? Ape, which planet is closest to the sun? Earth, Mars, or Mercury? Just one. Dog, which insect makes buzzing sound? Ant, bee, or snail on ground? Mule, which one has a long, long trunk? Elephant, giraffe, or a skunk? Or which bird cannot fly at all? Eagle, penguin, or a small macaw? Or which fruit is round and red? Mango, apple, or a loaf of bread? Or which shines brightly in the sky? Moon, balloon, or butterfly? Or which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah, hippo, ute, or camel? Or which animal sleeps upside down? A bat, a cat, or a big brown clown? Or with which thing tells us the time? Clock, book, or lemon lime? Or which season is filled with snow? Summer, winter, or winds that blow? Or which fruit is orange in color? Orange, grape, or cucumber? Or which one is used to brush your teeth? Spoon, pencil, or brush so neat? Or which animal is the king of the jungle? Lion, tiger, or a flying eagle?
Which animal has a long, scaly tail? Lizard, rabbit, or a big blue whale?
But which one is a leafy green? Cabbage, carrot, or jelly bean? But which bird can fly so high? Penguin, ostrich, or eagle in the sky?
But which one is sweet and comes in a jar?
Honey, salt, or a chocolate bar? But which fruit has a crown on top? Pineapple, orange, or a candy drop? What do you use to write a letter? Spoon, pencil, or a woolen sweater? Which insect makes a silky home? Spider, cricket, or garden gnome?
But which animal lives in a shell? Tortoise, tiger, or a silver bell?
What do we wear when it starts to rain? Hat, raincoat, or a golden chain?
But which shape looks like a box? Square, oval, or a pair of socks?
But which one shines in the night sky? Sun, star, or a butterfly?
But which sea creature has a hard shell? Crab, jellyfish, or ringing bell?
But which animal is the tallest of all? Giraffe, elephant, or a bouncing ball?
But which flower follows the sun?
Rose, sunflower, or a cinnamon bun?
But which bird builds the biggest nest?
Eagle, pigeon, or a little pest?
But which season makes the flowers bloom? Summer, winter, or a big mushroom?
What do we use to drink water? Plate, glass, or a flying saucer?
But which animal gives us wool? Cow, sheep, or a swimming pool?
But which one do we eat with butter? Bread, pillow, or a dancing flutter?
But what bees make in their hive? Honey, sugar, or a big beehive?
has a big hump. Camel, deer, or a jumping stump. Hello, which thing makes music loud? A drum, a fan, or a floating cloud? Hello, which sea animal has 8 arms? Shark, octopus, or a bunch of farms? Hello, what do you call a baby dog? Kitten, puppy, or a hopping frog? Hello, which color is made of blue and yellow? Green, purple, or orange fella? Hello, which planet is known as the red planet? Venus, Mars, or a golden cabinet? Hello, which vegetable makes you cry? Carrot, onion, or apple pie? Hello, which shape has 3 sides? Square, triangle, or a car that glides? Hello, which animal has stripes so neat? Zebra, rhino, or a parakeet? Hello, which insect is tiny and red with spots? Ladybug, dragonfly, or polka dots? Hello, which one keeps us warm and bright? Sun, rain, or a candlelight? Hello, what do you wear on your feet? Socks, hat, or a juicy treat? Hello, which planet is the biggest of all? Mars, Jupiter, or a bouncing ball? Hello, which shape is round like a wheel? Circle, triangle, or a slippery eel? Hello, which fruit has tiny black seeds inside? Watermelon, peach, or a coconut rind? Hello, you used to cut a paper? Scissors, eraser, or a tall skyscraper? Hello, which animal loves to eat bamboo? Panda, monkey, or kangaroo? Hello, which bird is known for wisdom and night? Owl, sparrow, or a